How many grams are in 18 micrograms? Here we start out with 18 micrograms, and we want to figure out how many grams that is. The first thing we need to do is find out the conversion off a table. A certain amount of micros, 1 micro, is 0.000001 of something. In this case, we're talking about grams, so 1 microgram is equal to 0.000001 grams. All right. It's the prefix, the micro, that means this number with all the zeros. And we're modifying the gram. So to solve this problem, we start out with 18 micrograms. But with micro, we don't use the symbol m. We use something called mu. It's a Greek letter, it's Greek letter mu. Micro is written as this almost cursive looking u. It's called mu. And we have to multiply it by something to change it into the unit we want it to be. And we've seen that with our conversion factors, we create one of two fractions. The two fractions we can create is 1 microgram is the same as this number on the bottom, or we can flip it upside down. 0.000001 grams is the same thing as 1 microgram. And I apologize, I use an m there. I'll change it in a second. But we need to choose the one of these two fractions that has microgram on bottom, because that's what we started with. Whatever you start out with, that's what needs to go on bottom. This first one doesn't match. The second one does have a micro on bottom. So that's the one we choose. Pick that guy up. We throw him into our equation. Don't forget to put these units on, even if you don't have much room. Anyway, that's equal to 1 microgram. Oh, I already had it there. Sorry, I'll scratch it out. Now, we have an equation, very simple. Micrograms on top, cancel with micrograms on bottom. Pull out a calculator. What do we got? 18. Multiply anything on top. Zeros forever. Divided by anything on bottom. We really don't have to divide by 1, but I like being thorough. 0.000018. And I take the number from calculator, throw it there. What unit do I have? The only one left in the equation, that's the grams, which is wonderful, because I wanted to find out how many grams I have. I started out with 18 micrograms. The equation told me I have 0.000018 grams. I have completed my task. A little bit messy, but it's good.